Hey guys, welcome back. Recently I was asked if you could do an 8-ball command where after the command, if you type some text, it will be reflected in the actual command itself. So that's what we're going to do today. If you know how to do this, it's just doing msg.slice. I've done it in other videos before, but I just want to go over it in its own video. So prefix plus 8-ball. And there we go. It'll trigger whenever we say that. And here is going to be the message that you type after. Ball message is equal to msg.content.slice and 9. We're going to be using 9 here. So what this works is if someone says TB exclamation point ABALL, it will trigger this. Of course, there is no spaces here. And after here is going to be your message. So what happens is it slices off the first 9 characters of this message. So it'll be T is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this space here is 9, leaving only your message. Now, the reason we're actually using message.content.slice instead of message.slice, which is what I usually do, is that message.content has caps in it, while MSG, everything is lowercase so that it can be detected more easily and it's case insensitive. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just do a random number generator. So number is equal to 2. We're only going to have 2 numbers, and we're going to be copying and pasting the random number generator. So here we go. This will generate a random number between 1 and 2, and with that number, we're going to want to use a switch statement. I'm using a switch statement instead of 2 if statements, just because if you want to continue doing as many as you want, you can. So in the case that the random number is 1, so if random is 1, it will type message.channel.send. It'll say the 8-ball says that ball message will not come to pass. Or will come to pass, sorry. And then we're going to add a break statement here so that it stops the case statement if it's number 1, and will not. So here, what I'm doing is, and I don't usually do this, but I'm using apostrophes to open and close my message statements. Most people use apostrophes. I usually use quotation marks for everything. But the reason I'm using quotation or apostrophes is that I'm using a quotation mark here around the ball message to indicate it is what you put. So the problem is that if I just had triple quotation marks, it'll start this string, then it will try and start another one, but that's not what we want. We want it just to only be, or we want one thing instead of it breaking. So now let's just run this. And if we go to Discord, I've already done this a couple times, and I say TB 8-ball. Am I going to bake a cake or a pancake tomorrow? And it says, the 8-ball says that, am I going to bake a pancake tomorrow will come to pass. If I do that again, it says it will not come to pass this time because it's just random. And we're getting perfect random, or perfect 50-50 here. So yeah, you can do this for anything you want. Message.slice can be used anywhere. It's extremely useful. But I'm just using it here for this 8-ball command just as an example, and I shall see you all in the next video.